Okay guys, so welcome back to my channel, Karen to Clean. And if you are new here, please make sure you subscribe to join the family in my, comment section. And I just would like to get to know you guys better. I'm making this video because number one, I think it's probably been at least a year since I made another just sit down chat with me. And plus, I have been on YouTube for a year now. So July 7th marked the year anniversary for me. And I just want to say this to you guys. Okay, so we have done quite a bit, at least I have done quite a bit in my videos. I've done makeovers and, of course, cleaning and all that stuff. But one thing I wanted to kind of share with you guys is this, is that I would like to know from you guys, what kind of content would you like? Would you like me to do more like day in the life? I mean, I'll be honest with you guys. I mean, we don't do much. I mean, honestly, we don't really go anywhere. We don't do anything much because, we're just, we're a one income family because, my husband's the only one kind of working right now. So we're one income family, which means just don't really have the funds to go anywhere. I mean, I go to my mom's house every once in a while. I do that type of thing and all that. But as far as us, we don't really go on trips or anything like that because, it takes money to do that. But if you want anything like what I do in a day, or which, like I said, it's not much. We stay home most of the time. We don't really go anywhere or anything like that. But if you want like a grocery haul, now, like I said again, we eat pretty much the same thing all the time. We don't really switch it out a whole lot, but just tell me what you're looking for in content and I'll do my very best to try to do it and everything. So I will admit to you guys that I'm kind of running out of ideas and stuff like that. Now, I will try to do things that I try not to be redundant. In other words, is what I'm trying to say is like, there's only it's like cleaning the bathrooms. I mean, there's only so many times you'll watch me cleaning my bathrooms or watch me cleaning the kitchen and that type of thing. So I want to provide new content for you, but it's got to be in the cleaning kind of basis type of thing. So if I haven't cleaned something that you want to see me do or whatever, then let me know and I'll try to provide that for you and all that. But one thing I was going to say was this, I try to, when I go to my mom's house, I do bring my camera and I do film over there because I've helped her with some decluttering and stuff like that. And here pretty soon I'm going to be going to her house and we're going to be working on her kitchen. It's going to be part 2. We're going to work on the lower cabinets of doing those and everything like that. We're basically kind of taking everything out, decluttering what she doesn't want, and, kind of putting it back in sort of like an organized manner. So that's my next thing that I'm going to be doing while I'm kind of filming this. But anyway, I just kind of wanted to know from you guys what exactly that you want from me. Because like I said, if you can kind of give me some ideas of what I could do. Now, I haven't done really an organization thing like in my bedroom in a while. And I have plans to do that, but I just don't know exactly when I'm going to do that. And I try to film and edit and put things on YouTube like within a month's time. So that way I don't have to worry about like if I have tech issues or if that, whatever happens. So I can make sure that you do have content. And one thing I've been trying to do, Friday is my posting day, always. That's never going to change. Friday, as far as I know, it's never going to change. Now, if it does, I will let you know in the community tab post. Now, I don't know if you guys, a whole lot of you guys go to there, but if you go to like my YouTube thing, my YouTube channel, and you kind of slide the thing over to where it says community thing, if you tap on that, that's where I do a lot of posting of what videos are coming up and and stuff like that. So I try to inform you on what is going on my channel. I also wanted to tell you guys that I really appreciate the fact that you have subscribed to my channel. I love the interaction that some of you are doing as far as commenting and talking to each other and stuff like that. I really love that. And anyway, I want to provide a little bit more content to you that might have to do with cleaning and all that. Like, say if you want me to clean out my car or something like that, which I'll be honest with you, that's not one of my favorite things to do, but I'll do it. You know, just whatever kind of content you may want from me that I haven't maybe done in a while, just let me know in the comment section. But anyway, I just wanted to touch base with you guys, and since I haven't done this in a while, I haven't sat down and like talked and chatted with you guys. And anyway, yeah, I just can't believe I've been on YouTube for 1 year. Like I said, July 7th of 2023 is when I started. So, you know, when I'll be posting this video is July 8th. Another thing I am trying to do is I am trying to provide some videos on Monday. They're kind of like the shorter version. They're not, I try not to make them too long. I try to make them between 10-15 minutes. Sometimes it don't happen that way. Sometimes it's a little bit longer. But I do try to provide a little bit of content on Monday. Now, Monday is not my normal posting day. It's just kind of like a little extra video to kind of get you through, because I know Friday is kind of like a while to wait for a cleaning video for motivation. So I try to provide one early during the week. But anyway, so with all that, I will let you guys go. Like I said, this wasn't a real long chatty video or anything like that. I just wanted to say thank you. And I can't believe it's been 1 year since I've been on YouTube. And I do hope you'll subscribe if you're new to my channel. And anyway, like, share, subscribe, comment. And I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.